Productivity Booster, Time Management, Power of Focus, and Organization and Efficiency. Are you looking to do more? Looking to manage your time better? Looking to be more efficient? Do you want to be more organized and want to focus better? Introducing Productivity Booster. Today, it's more important than ever to be extremely productive. There are so many things to be done in so little time. Productivity Booster will help you achieve all your goals, meet your deadlines, perform better, and this will let you have enough time to enjoy life more. This is a comprehensive course that has 3 parts: time management, power of focus, and organization and efficiency. All 3 parts are designed to help you achieve more in less time. Each of the parts have extensive information that's easy to read and ready to apply immediately. With this course, you will get more done, you'll do it more efficiently, and in less time. This means you'll perform better, you'll feel better about yourself, and you'll see improvements in all parts of your life: home, work, and free time. What will you learn? Time management. Be more productive by getting more things done in less time. This module will teach you why time management is crucial, how to clear that internal clutter, the drivers that keep us stuck, how to focus better, how to clear the clutter in your business, a time management checklist, and more. The power of focus. Focus for peak performance. This module takes things a bit further. You'll see how to develop a better mindset, how to have more confidence, how to be more persistent, how to focus in life, how to focus in business, how to focus in sports, how to take control over your emotions, how to set goals, how to take action, and much more. Also, organization and efficiency. Streamline your productivity. Finally, this module covers how to define your goals, how to get over the obstacles that stop you from becoming organized, the key success skills, how to become better organized, how to identify time sappers, how to replace old habits with new habits, and some tips and tricks, and even more. Indeed, the above information is crucial to each and every person who knows that time is money, and that today we need to keep improving ourselves constantly to be able to face the rigors of life better. All 3 parts of this course teach you how to achieve just that and even more. Each part of the course helps you understand your needs better, helps you understand what you need to do to become more efficient, and helps you to get things done in a new, better way. The Productivity Booster course is going to help you get to new levels of efficiency, which in turn will help you to do more at work, set better goals, complete tasks faster, complete tasks more efficiently, learn how to make better use of your time, and more. This in turn will result in more efficiency, more free time, more money, more recognition, higher self-esteem, and a happier you. So let's get started.